Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to exit Google Sheets full screen mode. If you've accidentally entered full screen while working on your spreadsheet or simply want to return to the normal view, this quick fix will help you get back to your regular workspace in just seconds. First, take a look at your screen and you'll notice that your Google Sheet is currently displayed in full screen mode. In this view, the browser's address bar, tabs, and other interface elements are hidden, giving you maximum space to work with your spreadsheet. While this can be great for focusing on your data without distractions, sometimes you need to access other browser features or simply prefer the standard view. Now, here's the simple solution to exit full screen mode. All you need to do is press the escape key on your keyboard. The escape key is typically located in the top left corner of your keyboard, often abbreviated as escape. Just give it a single press and you'll immediately see your Google Sheet return to its normal viewing mode. Once you've pressed escape, your browser's interface will reappear, including the address bar, tabs, bookmarks bar, and any extensions you have installed. Your spreadsheet will still be there exactly as you left it, with all your data and formatting intact. The only difference is that you're now back in the standard browser view, which gives you access to all your usual navigation and browsing tools. This method works consistently across different operating systems, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Chrome OS. The escape key is the universal shortcut for exiting full screen mode in Google Sheets and most other web applications. It's one of those handy keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and frustration when you need to quickly switch between viewing modes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exited full screen mode in Google Sheets using just a single keystroke. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.